Looking for the best Betta fish tanks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Betta fish tanks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Tetra, cube-shaped 3-gallon aquarium. Very quiet filter. Has an easy-to-operate clear lid. LED lighting hangs over the top of the tank. The 3-gallon size will give your Betta adequate room to grow. Modern and stylish design. Solid raised base. A 3-gallon tank with filter that will really provide the best environment for your Betta. Water tends to condense on the lid, and can be messy when you take it off to feed your fish. At number 2. Penn Plax, Aquaponic Betta fish tank. Adds interest to your fish tank. Comes with rocks. Can be used with a variety of different plants. Half-gallon size to give enough space for roots and fish. Very pretty and works well for those with the skill to get the system going well. Not really for beginners, but if you can get this inexpensive aquaponics model working, it turns your Betta tank into a nice little display. The fish will still need to be fed, plant roots will not be enough to keep them happy. You also may still need to change the water often. At number 1. Fluval, Spec 3 Aquarium Kit. Glass tank comes as a kit for a quick setup. Good size for one Betta to thrive. Nice design with the filter built into the back of the tank. Brightness on the light is good. Adjustable flow on the current of the pump allows you to make the environment comfortable for your fish. A bigger and more modern looking Betta tank that works well in your home or office. This does not come with a heater. While many Betta environments do not need a heater, if you find you need one, you will have to buy it separately. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.